taking you on a casual street photography walk through the charming city of Kutaisi in Georgia, capturing local life, culture, and hidden gems. We will wrap up the day with a magical night shoot at a theme park, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. So I'm in this beautiful town of Kutaisi today, and luckily the weather has been very good since yesterday, and I'm going on a street photography journey today. I'll take you along. It's also the Easter time here, so I'm expecting to see a lot of festivities and decoration. I'm not necessarily going to photograph people, but I'll also try to photograph a lot of destinations today. So we'll see how it turns out to be. Kutaisi is one of Georgia's oldest cities, rich in history and a cultural spot. From lively markets to a slow-paced street life, it offers a unique perspective for photography. Sometimes I just want to let go of all the technical stuff, the lenses, the settings, and simply step out into the streets with my camera. And this is what I did exactly. The weather was perfect and the sun was shining. It was sunny but still comfortable to walk around, and I loved every bit of it. Where we were staying, there were a lot of attractions nearby. We started off the day by walking to this small park and wanted to take the cable car across the river. Unfortunately, the car was closed due to it being a very windy day. Then we walked to the Green Bazaar, which is a famous local market in Kutaisi, a vibrant scene with lots of local people selling their vegetables, handicrafts, and it was one of the best moments to capture. During the day, we took a short break for lunch and then continued walking. In the evening, we walked all the way to the Bagrati Cathedral, and the weather and the golden hour was perfect. I have really never seen a golden hour being more perfect than this. Luckily, I am here during the sunset. I think probably this is the second day I am seeing the sunset. The whole time I have been here, the weather has not been in my favor, so we only had cloudy days or snowy days. So luckily, since yesterday, the weather has become really good. And to wrap up the day, we walked over to a nearby amusement park. it turned out to be my daughter's favorite part of the day. It was just a short stroll away and the perfect way to end my photography day. I ended up taking some night photography of these beautiful rides and scenes, which was another amazing opportunity to click photography. I couldn't have asked for a better day of photography. There's something special about wandering freely through a city, capturing whatever captures my eye, spending some time with my family, and just letting the day unfold without any pressures or plans of photography. To me, that's a definition of a perfect photo day. That's about it for the street photography in this beautiful town of Kutaisi. It's like a cultural center of Georgia. And I will see you in another video. Till then, bye.